I don't. After this region. Okay. Okay.
So, Doctor, on behalf of J&K Medical Council, I feel honored that we are in collaboration with Eco India to disseminate the information through this eco platform. We shall try to reach them. We shall be having for say 2 hours. They will be getting 1 CME credit hour, and once they have joined and they have stayed throughout that program, because there's a mechanism with the Eco India that
for doing multiple programs, and they are already planning to have the programs in a calendar mode in such a way that every year 5 credit hours can be provided to different medical fraternity by attending different programs through Eco
certificate, which will be valid for only 5.
Let me give you the little disseminate medical council, and I think they act as a channel for both the organizations. On behalf of Eco India, I'm really thankful once again to all the leadership of J&K.
Shall I sign the MOU on behalf of J&K Medical Council?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Please, it will be very useful for
Thank you all my worthy colleagues and members.
Please take the seat and please sign it. Sign it because my executive director has already.
Video.
Very important.
Every page, then we'll take the stamp. Put it up to this table.
Page 57. 57.
Next copy. Then we can exchange. Now we can come to exchange.
So we can all stand
together.
1 minute.
Video.
Come sir, come. Idhar aa jaओ sir. Come. Come.
सर आप बताइए ये इसके बारे में.
On today, J&K Medical Council is signing a memorandum of understanding with Eco India, so that J&K Medical Council has the mandate to not only regulate the professional activities of medical professionals or issue registration certificates or regulate their activities or other activities like their ethical and other basic things, but today we are starting into a new sort of activities which is possibly for the first time that any medical council in the country is doing, is dissemination of knowledge among the registered medical practitioners through the Eco platform. This is a hub and spoke platform wherein we will carry the CMEs, which shall be free to all the registered medical practitioners, and it will be accredited by the J&K Medical Council for CME credit hours. Because in next month we are going for issuance of medical registration certificates, which shall be valid for 5 years, and after 5 years there shall be a renewal, and for that renewal they need to have 30 CME credit hours. So every year registered medical practitioner registered with J&K Medical Council shall have at least 6 CME credit hours, and this activity, this MOU today gives us an opportunity that we shall be providing free CME credit hours to all the registered medical practitioners. So another thing that is going to be benefited from this MOU is that we shall be able to bring all the experts across the state and the country, so that we have CMEs through them, so that improves upon the basic knowledge among our doctors. We have been having CMEs and workshops and conferences at medical college level or tertiary hospital level, but for the doctors working in the peripheral setup who have limited access to these updates, through this network we shall be able to reach these doctors and provide them the recent advances in medical field, give knowledge about various specialty engagements and improvements which have been carried out, so that they are abreast with the latest knowledge and improve upon their basic knowledge and skills while dealing with the patients.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to Eco India, sir, for this partnership. I think it's going to be a landmark journey for both the organizations. Wishing all of you a very great success and a fruitful journey altogether. On behalf of Eco India, our commitment will remain throughout, and it's a great fortune for Eco India because today is first any medical council which is coming on board, and I'm sure that this will act as a landmark thing for other medical councils in times to come. And I'm sure under your leadership and all the leaders from the J&K Medical Council, I think through your medical fraternity is going to get benefit in a very big way, and eco commitment will always be there. Let knowledge should move, not the providers, and let knowledge should reach to the last mile with one ethos, that is democratization of the knowledge, and knowledge should move rather than providers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Forenoon with us. So we shall be logging out. Thank you for being here.